Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we are going to speak about a very critical issue while you're receiving updates from your subcontractor or one of your colleagues working in the same project. After receiving this updated schedule, you need to ask yourself, how could we validate this updated schedule before going to introduce some analysis reports or to give some forecast data from this updated schedule? Many planners they are ignoring to check and validating the working hours alongside with actual dates for each activity, and they ignoring to activate the decimal durations for each activity because it's giving false data and inaccurate forecast data, as I said. So how we are going to fix it out? We will fix it out using Excel and Primavera itself, and it will be inshallah very easy for all planners. But let's first we need to check this by our eyes. By activating from user preference from duration format, we need to activate that decimals will have 2 decimal. And from dates, that time format will be 12 hours. If you do this activity by activity, you will find that if you check, first the calendar hours itself, you will find that it's this calendar is built based on that eight working hours, starting from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. This is for all months, for all projects. So if you open this, you can find the activities received from your colleague or from your subcontractor. It has many huge mistakes. If you look at these activities, this is corrupted actual dates and corrupted working hours. And even in some in-progress activities, you will find the remaining duration have many decimal durations. So how we are going to fix it? We can correct it by export the Excel spreadsheet itself like this. And we need to make sure that remaining duration and actual dates and activity percent complete as well to be there. Okay. If you just press dot in the filter in the column of remaining duration, you can find many activities have this decimal duration. So if you need to correct, we need to use this Excel formula by using the cell, referring to the cell and round digits 0. Okay. And remember, after you correct the decimal durations, you need to convert this duration format to the recognized format of Primavera for all the versions, specifically to the text format. Okay. And let's delete this. If you press again dot, you can't find now. It's corrected already. Decimal durations are disappeared from this Excel spreadsheet. The second thing, and which is more critical, the working hours, which is already giving false indications. If you see some activities like this activity, like what we saw in the schedule, so I like this. It has some activities has wrong working hour. So I'm going to use a magical Excel formula. It's called int. The function of int formula, it's fixing and correcting the working hour itself inside the cell, required cell. So here we're referring to the cell and we press plus. What is the required working hour for the actual start? It should be 8 a.m. So it should be divided by 24 hours per day. Just if error. Why? Because I won't like to see. I won't like to see any mistake coming by this blank cell. So just to press this formula for all cells, and it's coming with the right way. What about actual finish? The same formula. We need to apply this int to the actual finish and putting the required working finish hour, which is 4 p.m. And in terms of 24 formats, it will be 16. And once we press all, it's converting to the correct working hour. And let's import. After importing this corrected Excel spreadsheet, you can find that all actual dates have the correct and accurate working hours from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And also the remaining durations for all activities, nothing has any decimal durations for time being. This is after we fixing it out using the Excel formulas int and round. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was all helpful for all of the planners. And wishing you to see you inshallah in the next video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.